Good morning, class family. It's a wonderful Wednesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. December 11th, 2024. Dear class family, today is Wednesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Next, we will do literacy centers. Then, we will read the poem Stop, Look, and Listen. After that, we will learn the letter P and reread Rules Are Cool. Last, we will learn how to write an explanatory text. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, class family, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain understands the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. I noticed the month is spelled with a capital letter D, then EC period. What does that abbreviation stand for? We'll say the name of the month out loud. If you said December, you're right. Great job. Notice the capital letter D to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, let's continue to reread from top to bottom and left to right. December 11th, 2024. Dear class family, today is Wednesday. It is Wednesday, and it's a wonderful Wednesday. Notice the capital letter that starts that sentence and the period at the end. Remember, good writers start sentences with capital letters and end with punctuation marks. Let's go ahead and review some of the punctuation marks you'll be seeing within our message and at the end of sentences. Ready? Okay, skywrite and say the names with me, kindergartners. Period at the end of telling sentences, statements, and abbreviations. Exclamation point, also called an exclamation mark. That's at the end of sentences that show strong feeling. Question mark, that's at the end of question sentences, just like our question of the day. And comma, you will see commas within our message. Good writers know how to use punctuation marks in their writing. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. And you know what? We do that every single day, working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator by speaking clearly with our mouths and listening with our ears. That's what good communicators do. And each day at school, we're working on being a strong listener. Remember, strong listener uses their eyes for watching, ears for listening. Their mouth is silent when someone else is speaking, and body is still and in one place. Are you being a strong listener in kindergarten? Okay, class family, at this time we're going to go ahead and discuss the sequence of what we're doing in language arts. Remember, the sequence is the order of events from beginning to end. Review these transitional words and phrases with me, readers. Are you ready? First, next, then. After that, last. Good writers know how to sequence their writing and put events in order. Let's see what we're doing first today at school in kindergarten. First, we will learn letters and sounds. We're going to use so many resources, including Benchmark Advance. We have things to use in class, big books. Our alphabet chart will review letter sounds. Pictures match the letter, American Sign Language. We have electronic resources online and lots of things. And we also have YouTube channels today we're going to be utilizing throughout the day. Jack Hartman's Mr. B's The Singing Walrus, The Learning Station, and Hopscotch. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this sentence. Next, we'll do literacy centers. We will, and remember when a teacher calls your name to listen to the first time and go to that group. We have Lexia Core 5 reading program on our iPads. We're also going to be coloring our December book, and we're going to go through and we're going to be reading the pattern sentences. December is mittens and hats. December is cookies and candy. We'll go through each page in the book. We'll read those pattern sentences. You're going to be reading, you're going to be coloring, and we're also going to be doing some other centers in the room. So remember to make great choices during literacy centers. Then we will read the poem Stop, Look, and Listen. Okay, so we have a new poem to read. Stop, look, and listen. Stop, look, and listen. Before you cross the street, first you use your eyes and ears. Then you use your feet. We'll be reading this poem. We'll be sharing our thinking. We will be looking at some of those words, those transitional words within the poem, like before, first, and then. So we'll go through, we'll read the poem. Stop, look, and listen. Okay, and after that we will learn the letter P and reread. Rules are cool. We'll learn the letter P like peep, pencil, and pen. We'll be doing phonemic awareness, tapping that beginning, middle, and ending sound and saying that whole word. We'll have words that start with the letter P and words that end with P. We'll use the 5 pre-writing strokes when we're making uppercase and lowercase p to practice as we trace the dotted line ones and then write uppercase letters and then lowercase letters below to practice P. Okay, we are going to reread. Rules are cool. Remember, good readers reread. And as you read a book again, your brain understands it better. And that will help us with comprehension and when asking and answering questions, sharing our thinking, and practicing being a great communicator. Because that's what good readers do. Last, we will learn how to write an explanatory text. We will. And you know what? Good writers will use a 3-step writing strategy. I think, I draw, I write, and talk. An example of this is the students invite Roma to take a turn with the blocks. Notice how there's a picture in their blocks and a detailed sentence. Remember, starting with a capital letter, there's finger spaces between the words so the words don't smush together. There's a punctuation mark at the end, a period. Oh, we're going to go ahead and we're going to learn about explanatory writing. It's going to be a fantastic day at school. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our question in our T-chart for today is a do you like question. And as we've been using the sight word and, this question is, do you like Oreo cookies and milk? Think about your answer, get ready to be a great communicator, and share why.